One of Wendy Shay's video on YouTube has been pulled down. That is Pray to the World music video, and she's very unhappy about it. Okay guys, welcome back to Daily Entertainment Gossip Show right here on GH TV. As always, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button, so that anytime drop a new content, you'll be the first to be notified. Yes, so earlier this week there has been some back and forth between Wendy Shay and Delay, and it has to do with the fact that both parties have unfollowed each other, and they are actually finding reasons why one would unfollow another, or one will unfollow each other. But Wendy Shay has already done a video to explain why she unfollowed Delay. Guys, watch the video.
Unfollow me or unfollow me a chair. It's been over a year, and I'm who say, well, unfollow me. Or no, they can unfollow me. Yes. Probably maybe my fans need be artists the same way. Ebi money me be ejuma, and no money me be ejuma no. You know, I'm a free channel. They started saying evil and ill things about me. What I say? Say na mekani nipani. People grow. They realize their mistakes. They realize say maybe they could have done it different. What I say? I am one of them. People grow, and I am not ashamed of my growth. But the person I'm trying to say, in when I was younger, like I was younger, when I was younger in the industry, that was like.
Yeah, guys, I guess the video is self-explanatory. And what is your take on this particular issue between Delay and also Wendy Shay? Yes, so Wendy Shay, as I said, she has lost one of her videos on YouTube. It has to do with the fact that the video, should I say, it's copyright issues and whatever. Yeah, but basically it's copyright issues. Let me put it that way. And the video, why it was pulled down, is the fact that it has a similarity to that of South African artist Master KG, the one who sang Jerusalem, that kind of, that song. Yeah. So because of the similarities, probably I'm sure because of the arrangements, the chord, and all this kind of, I mean, the music people will know this better. The video had to be pulled down, and someone actually took to Twitter, or a fan of Wendy Shay took to Twitter explaining why the video was pulled down, and Wendy Shay actually also explained further. Yeah, so the fan tweeted by saying that, why I'm hearing that a group of people went to report Wendy Shay's Pray for the World video, and now YouTube has taken it down for what? I'm angry. Oh, Ghana. So this is how bad you guys hate Wendy Shay. I'm disappointed. I cannot lie to you. So Wendy Shay actually screenshotted this particular post on her Instagram, and also added the caption by mentioning emoji beauty and saying some other stuff. So this is what Wendy Shay said. At emoji beauty, this is the country we are living in. I will fight for my rights, because Pray for the World has a different chord progression from Jerusalem. Shay gang, don't worry, my lawyers are dealing with it with YouTube. Yes, so when she's saying that she's actually fighting hard to get the video reinstated on YouTube, and that she didn't steal anything. There's a different chord or progression from Jerusalem, and she doesn't know why people are saying that she stole a part of the song, and a whole lot of issues. Yes, so she's saying that her lawyers are actually working hard. So we are going to wish Wendy Shay all the best, because she's really put a lot in that particular music video and also that particular song. Therefore, if there's any issues, then as she actually put it, the lawyers or her lawyers are the best people to actually follow the issue for her and also get a video reinstated. Okay guys, this has been the end of the Daily Entertainment Gossip Show right here on GH TV. As always, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button. Also, don't forget to also share our content with your friends. Guys, share our content with your friends. Let your people and let your friends know that this is the hottest channel that gives you the latest entertainment news and gossip from Ghana and beyond. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.